I'm going to put back the black weed barrier cloth, and I just want to show you that we had a little frost, -4 degrees Celsius, and this is the best time that I could be able to put this back, because the frost solidified a little bit the soil, and so putting down a black weed barrier cloth has its special way, which I learned from a nursery. I wish I would learn this in the university, but in the university they didn't know that this would be important. So you can see there are markings on the cloth, and when you set down a cloth, you put down a nail with this every 3 markings, and you have to turn back the side, because if you don't, the cloth is going to disintegrate. And when I finish putting this down, I will put down another one, and then I put it in every 7th marking, so it will be stabilized. You can buy these U-shaped metals, but it's much more expensive than 20 centimeter. Yes, it's a 20 centimeter nail with this thing on it. And thank goodness our neighbor is using his chainsaw. Why not? It's Sunday. So it's not easy, but I have to make this now. And you can use a mallet. So that's all for now. I'm going to come back later and show you the results. Bye.